Please like our video and subscribe to our channel. We update regularly with test routes, local junctions and manoeuvres. So we're coming off the A500 and we're going to turn right at the Talke Roundabout towards Tunstall. Now this is where there can be a little bit of confusion on this roundabout, because if you're going the 834 towards Congleton, which is also a right, then you can be either in the left lane, which is preferable, or the right lane. But for us going towards Tunstall and back on the bypass, we have to be in the right lane. And we will show you the reason why as we go around the roundabout. So you have a little confirmation directional board here, which I'm going to freeze. A bit awkward with the weather, but you can see Tunstall in the right lane. And the reason why you're in this lane is because if you was in the left lane and vehicles were going towards Congleton, they will cut right across you. So we stay in the right lane until this point here, when we make sure we check our middle mirror, middle one and left one, and then make our way over to the left. So now we're going to have a look at it from a slightly different point of view. So this is where we've just come from. So you can see the vehicles in the left lane are going towards Congleton, but also the vehicles in the right lane. And if you take a look here, the vehicles in the right lane, like that white van, checks his mirrors and then gets over to the left lane to come off. So just different ways to look at a roundabout.